If you're wondering how to integrate Unicode with Google Analytics, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the process step by step while giving you a quick overview of Unicode so you can decide if it's right for your needs. Stick around until the end, because I'm also sharing some solid alternatives that might be a better fit for your goals. First things first, Unicode is a powerful tool that allows you to integrate data from multiple sources, streamlining your analytics and reporting. It's known for its simple interface and flexibility when it comes to connecting to various platforms. However, when it comes to Google Analytics integration, there are a few important things to know. Next thing, to get started with integrating Unicode and Google Analytics, you'll need to have accounts set up for both. Once you've logged into Unicode, navigate to the Integration section. This is where you'll find all the third-party apps you can connect to. Here, you'll see Google Analytics listed. Click on it to start the integration process. Now, the third thing, you'll need to authenticate Unicode with your Google Analytics account. This requires signing in to your Google account and granting Unicode the necessary permissions to access your analytics data. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process. You'll be asked to verify the Google Analytics property you want to connect to, so make sure you're selecting the right one for your project. The fourth thing, once connected, Unicode will pull data from Google Analytics into its dashboard. This allows you to monitor website traffic, user behavior, conversion metrics, and more, all in one place. But here's the catch: while Unicode does a solid job pulling in data, its reporting features could use some improvement. For detailed, in-depth analysis, you might find that Unicode doesn't offer as much flexibility as some other platforms, especially when compared to competitors like Google Data Studio or Power BI. Next up, the fifth thing, after integration, make sure you're using the right tags and events to track the data you care about. Unicode lets you easily set up custom events to pull in additional data points from your website or app. But the process isn't as intuitive as you might expect, and you might hit a few roadblocks when trying to pull advanced metrics like user flows or acquisition channels. Now, the sixth thing, if you're finding Unicode a bit limited in terms of customization, don't worry. There are alternative platforms that provide more flexibility and deeper integration with Google Analytics. I'll talk about those in just a second. Before we wrap up, for those still interested in Unicode, we've got an exclusive extended free trial through our link. This gives you access to all of Unicode's core features, including the Google Analytics integration, so you can test it out yourself. But if you're looking for something that might better suit your long-term needs, I'll also share some alternatives that have stronger features for analytics, including better reporting and integration options. To sum it up, Unicode is a solid tool, but it does have its limits. Google Analytics integration is smooth, but the platform falls short when it comes to customization and detailed reporting. If your main goal is comprehensive analytics and flexibility, alternatives like Google Data Studio or Power BI might serve you better. Both offer free trials, so you can test them risk-free. Check out the link in the description for the exclusive free trial and more info on these alternatives. Thanks for watching.